crumble, he lifts his staff and the seas divide. 1,000 fears drowned in the tide. Moses, rise, lead them through the night. A chosen warrior of the holy light. Plagues in the sky and blood in the river. Pharaoh trembles but still won't shiver. Darkness falls, firstborn cry. Judgment roars from the ancient sky. Into the sea the waters stand tall, a path of freedom for the souls in thrall. Egypt's army swallowed whole, dust and silence, God in control. Fire in the desert, manna falls where hope is broken. Little on the mountain, 10 words of truth forever spoken. He lifts his staff as the rocks explode. Water flows on the desert road. Moses, fight, lead them to the dawn. A prophet's courage never gone. 40 years wandering, 40 years suffering, but the promise stands and the faithful rise. A legend forged by the Most High.